Now, question number D. Solve the following word problems. Question 1. Amira bought 23 books on Monday, 42 on Sunday. How many books did she buy in 2 days? So we have to solve like this. See here. You have to write full question. I have not written, but you have to write full question from book. You need to see from book and you have to write full question in your copy. Now see here answer of this question. We have to write statement like this. Number of books Amira bought on Monday. What is the number? 23. So we have to write 23 here. Then number of books Amira bought on Sunday. What is the number? 42. So we have to write 42 here. Now what is the question? How many books did she buy in 2 days? So we have to, what we have to do? We have to add. So now add 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 4, 6. So total number of books she buy in 2 days is 65. Now question 3. Okay, this is homework. This is homework for you. Question 3. I have written this question as question 2. So what is the question? Aniraj had 76 stamps. He gave 28 stamps to his brother. How many stamps are left with Aniraj? So see here. You have to write full question from book. Number of stamps Aniraj had. What is the number? 76. So we have to write 76. Second statement. Stamps gave to his brother. What is the number? 28. So we have to write 28 here. Now, what is the question? How many stamps are left with Aniraj? So what we have to do? We have to subtract. So subtract with me. Listen students, 6 is not enough to subtract 8. So it will take borrow from 7. So it becomes 16 and this will become 6. So 16 minus 8 is 8 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So answer is 48. Number of stamps left with Aniraj is 48. Now this question is homework for you. Come to this question. Aryan has 72 plants in his garden. Arjun has 68 plants. Who has more plants and how much more? So see here. You have to write full question. Aryan has plants, number of plants 72. See here 72. So Aryan has plants 72. Arjun has plants 68. So what the question is telling? Who has more plants and how much more? So what we have to do? We have to subtract. So 2 is not enough to subtract 8. That is why it will take borrow from 7. So it become 12 and this become 6. So 12 minus 8, 4 and 6 minus 6, 0. So Aryan has 4 more plants than Arjun. These two questions are homework. Come to this question. A school is organizing a picnic. 37 students are going from class 1 and 41 students are going from class 2. How many more students are going from class 2? So see here, you have to write full question from book. Now answer. First statement, students from class 2. First we have to write students from class 2 because number of students from class 2 is bigger. That's why for subtraction we have to write bigger number first. That is why students from class 2 is 41 and students from class 1 is 37. So what we have to find out, how many more students are going from class 2. So we have to subtract it. So 1 is not enough to subtract 7. That is why it take borrow from 4. It become 11 and this become 3. So 11 minus 7 is 4 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So 4 more students are going to a picnic from class 2. Thank you.